Hi, my name's Fiona from MyCharleston, and I'm going to teach you how to add some style and swivel to your classic 1920s Charleston. So let's just recap. We know that we take a tap, and then we step back, we tap behind, step forward. But obviously if I just do that, it doesn't look like the 1920s Charleston. So the first thing we're going to learn is how to swivel. Lightly come onto the balls of your feet. You don't want to be really high, just ever so lightly place your centre of weight there, and then click your heels together, just like Dorothy did. Good. You'll need shoes that are non-grip and a smooth surface floor. You want to keep practicing this whenever the kettle's boiling or you're queuing at the shops so that it becomes really familiar to you. The other thing you want to think about is keeping your knees nice and close. So let's just bring our knees together. Imagine you're carrying a cheque for £1 million to the bank, but you have to balance it between your knees. So let's walk forward, starting on the right. Walk. Now you look a bit silly, but what you'll notice is because we've limited the range of motion, the heels have to flick up. So it's the combination of the swivel and keeping the knees close that change tap, step, into a swivelly, flicky style of Charleston. This won't come overnight. There are a few amazing people who can swivel straight away. I wasn't one of them, and I used to get a lot of cramp in my calves when I did the swivels. So what I'd recommend is that you practice one with no style and then one with. So you do a basic, and then you swivel. Let's just clarify where that swivel happens within the basic step. The heel is going in on the tap forward, up, and in on the step back. Yeah, so we go in and back, and then the other way, heel goes in and step. Again, heel goes in, step back, in, step forward. Tap, in, step back, tap, in, step forward. Doing this slowly makes it more challenging in terms of balance, so it will be easier once you get faster. Now let's really think about keeping those knees nice and close. So we swivel, keep the knees nice and close. A swivel, I keep them close. A swivel, I keep them close. Swivel, and keep them close. Heels go in, back, in and back, in and back. Keep the arms moving. And once you've got used to your style and swivel, we can add some arm variations. Do look at our next tutorial for more information on how you can add arm variations to your Charleston.